Hello friends, welcome to Mockito series. In this video, we are learning about mocking a static method. So a static method which has a signature of public static string method name and it has some return type. Its return type can be anything rather than string can be a static method. The main keyword here is static. So we will learn how to mock the static method with the help of Mockito. It was not possible in previous version of Mockito. This feature came in Mockito 3.4.0. Earlier, this feature was only possible with Power Mockito. Power Mockito, we will talk about it later. It's another framework. So first, testing a static method, we need to configure two things. First, we need to add a text file. In the folder src test resource mockito extension, we cannot change this directory name. It should be like this only. And in this, we need to keep a file with name org.mockito.plugins.mockmaker. And in this file, we need to keep a single line mock dash maker dash inline. Secondly, we need to add a pre-configured inline mock maker dependency. So this is the dependency we need to add it. Now let's see how to write unit test for static method in our code example. To understand a static test case, I have write a static method, public static string book name. It is returning a book as a string here. Now let's write its unit test in our test code. So this is our test public void test book name static method. So I'll just call a assertion here first. Assert equal that whenever my book book name is called, I get response book. Let's run this. So it is passed now. But in my test case, I want that whenever I call this method book name, it should return me book name, or we can say another book. I want some another string in my output, and let's run this again. I will get an assertion failed error. Now I want that this book name method should return me this another book. So for that I need to mock this book name method. For mocking a static method, we need to write a try method. In this, I'll call mockito dot mock static, and I'll tell the class name to this. Let's after this we need to declare our return. For that we have an interface mock static, in which also I need to give my class name bookdown, and here I'll get a variable. So that error is also gone which mock static was given. And after this I'll just write I just after this I just need to write my assertion inside this try block. Now before doing before doing assertion, I need to stub this book name method. So for this I'll use this book mock static utility, and in this I'll get a when method in which I'll call my book name and tell that return another book. Now if I run it, it is giving me an error. Why? As I told you that we need to keep a folder in my resource folder, and in that folder I need to keep a file in which I need to tell Mockito that mock the static method book name of bookdoc.class. So for this, I just need to copy a folder. I have already created it. I'll just put it here. So in this folder, Mockito dash extension, I have a file mock maker org.mockito.plugins.mockmaker. We need to keep the name as it is. In this file, I just need to keep this line mock dash maker dash inline. Now let's again run our test. You can see it is green now. Now, if I want to again test it, let's test this line after try block. It has failed again. Why? Because this static method mocking and stubbing will only work inside this try block, not outside. If I do this, I'll check book only, I'll get a green test. So this you need to remember that Mockito has given this feature for mocking static method, but it only works inside a try block, not outside it. Thank you, friends. I hope you like this video. Let me know if your feedback, your doubts, your questions in the comment section below. Thank you.